Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's almost been a year now that I'm making these types of videos here about crypto, about NFTs, and I want to take it all the way back to where it all started, Krypto.com. The first NFT I ever minted was a loaded line, and now 1 year later they actually have their private land sale going on, or it's gonna happen in about 20 hours. So in this video I just want to cover the loaded lines main city first frontier land drop that is going to happen on Krypto.com. Early access is 13th of December, which is tomorrow, 13-hour UTC. So if you hold a loaded line, you can buy land tomorrow. If you do not hold a loaded line, you will have to wait until the 15th of December. Now let's jump into the details. So what is this land that they're going to drop? This is the page. I'm going to leave it down below in the description as well, so you can go ahead and read about it yourself. But it's essentially, you need the land to play a game. Team up with loaded lines and turn the city of your dreams into virtual reality. Take part in Krypto.com Web3 adventures with loaded lines main city. So it's a tycoon simulator featuring the most fabulous felines on the blockchain. Don't know how to say this word, but I read all this right before, and essentially this is the interesting part here, right? So loaded lines main city is a tycoon style game powered by Cronos using the Cronos Play SDK. Each player is an entrepreneur with the goal of building and designing the dream city and mansion. The rewards earned from gaining experience points along with the strategic placement of your buildings in the game can ultimately be exchanged for Crow. Alright, so somehow you can make money playing this game, okay? Now, do I think that you should purchase these land plots to make money? No, I don't, but you might think that you can, right? So let's scroll up. So tomorrow, the 13th of December, everybody that holds a loaded line are able to purchase a land plot. And you can pick between 3 packages, okay? You can pick the one that only holds one first frontier deed, so one piece of land, or one that holds 3. Or if you're the big boss, you can pick one that holds 5. Now, private here, the price is for loaded lines. So if you hold a loaded line, you're able to pick them up cheaper than everybody else. And that is one of the, let's say, one of the only utilities that loaded lines have received. And now people are gonna be like, yeah, we received a hoodie, And honestly, if you minted a loaded line, you're very, very lucky, If you minted and held on to it, you received a hoodie. You received a cyber cup. If you held on to the cyber cup, you also received a pair of socks, right? But anyway, regardless of that, now these two NFTs, loaded line and the cyber cup, will also boost your abilities to actually earn points in the game, which also ultimately will make you able to make more money, exchange it for Crow and stuff like that, right? There are 25,000 packs available, and the allow list here that they're talking about is given out to NFT projects that they have cooperated with. Let's just see the list here. So if you hold a Alphabot, Ballies, Boomer, Bull Run, Cronos, Cruisers, Crow Skull, Mad Hair, Own Everywhere, Psycho Kitties, The Trip, basically all the projects that were featured on Krypto.com, right? They have received the allow list. Reading over on Twitter, we can see that there is some hype going around this land sale here. There's also some ups and downs. Loaded lines are excited, they're trying to hype it up. Other people are asking what's going on. But ultimately, what I want to say is, whatever you do, do not FOMO, right? You don't have to FOMO. We've seen this countless of times on Krypto.com. People buy with the hopes of getting one of the rare pieces. And as soon as they open their packets and see they don't have a rare piece, they list them for sale, and then the market just gets flooded with these lesser rare ones, and then they can be picked up sometimes below the mint price. And this time there are 25,000 of them. So if you're lucky, of course, you will mint one and you will get the mythical one. Then you're probably good, right? People are just gonna pay a lot of money to get this one. But if you are, as many of us, unlucky when you mint, you're just gonna get the starter or a rare one. And then maybe you should just wait to see how the market goes. You don't have to mint one, you can just buy one off the secondary market. And actually, how's this guy's name? Red Falcon, right? I believe, I don't have the tweet right now, but I believe that the good old Red Falcon, who was the community manager for loaded lines until they shipped him off for some weird reason, and I never understood why, because this guy was the heart and soul of the loaded lines. Anyway, he said that he's probably gonna wait until the secondary market, and that is what it is. So basically, my conclusion here is that you should mint a piece of land if you hold a loaded line and you want to play this game, alright? You should mint a piece of land if you want to just collect these types of lands here, you know. But you should not mint one if you're trying just to flip them, because that's going to be hard unless you're lucky enough to get one of these. And if it's luck that you're after, you know, there are plenty of other websites where, you know, you can go and waste your money on gambles like that, you know. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor and I do have COVID here, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to mint myself, but I just thought that now, you know, it's been a year. Crypto.com NFT has been my launch pad, you know, to all this crypto stuff. So I wanted to make this video. And if you choose to mint, then good luck. The place you mint is just over here, crypto.com/NFT, and it's right there on the first page here. You view the drop, and if you hold a lower line, it will open up pretty soon, right? 20 hours from when I'm making this video. Alright guys, if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.